Kinakabahan tuloy ako. Baka
Me
mali.
too.
Hello, welcome again to Nicole's Salon. Today, surprisingly, we will not be butchering my own hair because we have a client. So our client for today is my sister Acey, and we will be transforming her from this okay look on the left to this extremely badass look on the right, which is how I imagine Clover from Totally Spies to look like if she was real and if she was Asian. So here was our game plan. The first step was to bleach Acey's hair to bring her hair to a level 7 or 8 lightness. Then, the next step was to color her hair. Ideally, with a lighter base underneath, the hair color was going to have better color payoff and she'd end up with a more vibrant hair color.
Alright guys, so today we are gonna bleach Acey's hair. Whether this will fail or not, we will see because this is our first time bleaching our own hair, your hair. So now we are going to section her hair. So basically, I watched one Brad Mondo video and what he said is to section it into 4. So section it from the front to the back, so that's 2. And then each section you're going to divide again from the apex of your head to the back of the ear. I have no idea if this is right. So we are done sectioning the hair.
To bleach the hair, first you will be needing bleaching powder. We bought one 500-gram bucket of this Bremont hair brightener. This cost around just 190 pesos from Shopee, super affordable. We recommend buying an entire bucket because if you are bleaching your entire head of hair, you are going to need a ton of bleach, especially if your hair is longer than Acey's. Second, to activate the bleaching powder, you will be needing an oxidizing lotion. We bought one 1000 ml bottle of this Bremont Collage Hydrox, am I pronouncing that right? Oxidizing lotion at 12% or 40 volume. This cost around just 160 pesos from Shopee. The bleaching powder to oxidizing lotion ratio that we used was 1:2.
Oh, also, I drenched my hair overnight in coconut oil. Guys, I did my research. Gagana yan.
So now I'm just going to apply it to her hair in sections. We are going to leave the roots first and then come back to them later because the roots process faster. So I guess I'm just gonna apply.
Slouchy.
Look how much taller you are. Bakit ang liit ko? I'm so small! Nah, you don't need to be upright because I can't reach it. Wear protection, kids. Why am I nervous?
I'm nervous. Paano pa it's my head?
Don't shut your eyes.
Don't shut your eyes. Oh, okay. Right. Sorry.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Pag ano, ilalagay mo, ganun
Oh
mo
my
lang
god,
po pa.
I'm so nervous.
Chunk. Chunk.
Okay, so I'm just applying the foil and then I'm going to brush it onto Acey's hair. Brad Mondo says it has to be a lot of bleach. Has to be really saturated in the bleach because otherwise it'll be a little bit patchy.
Oh, it feels legit though.
Kwento mo why you decided to color your hair. Why are we doing this in quarantine?
Alam mo yung feeling mo yung kapag bata ka, tapos ang daming tanong sa'yo ng mga tita mo. Anyways, I bleached my hair because I already had previously colored hair. And since we couldn't go to the salon because of Rona, I thought of coloring my hair. But I wanted to be more daring, so I said, let's bleach my hair. Para rin mas maganda yung color payoff. Kabado nga rin ako i-bleach yung hair ko kasi first time ko siya i-bleach. Well, bleach yung hair ko for highlights, pero ilang strands lang ba yun? So, kinakabahan ako, tapos na-realize ko mga K-pop idols nga 50 times nila binibleach yung hair nila. So, why?
They haven't professionally done those.
Yun din. No biggie.
No big deal. And I bet hindi Bremont gamit nila.
Yeah. Most likely hindi Bremont at Sora yung gamit nila.
I have to wash my hands really quickly because ow! Okay, so we are out. We are going to mix another batch and I'm just going to continue doing this. After a while, we are going to go back and do Acey's roots, and once we're all done, once we've rinsed everything, we will get back to you guys. Tama ba?
So, for some reason, Acey's hair lifted so light and so fast. We kept checking the progress of the bleaching process, and before we could go back to do the roots, we had to wash her lengths out first because they were getting bleached. You know what I mean? But damn, Acey's hair really is that bitch. It quickly lifted to like a level 9 in just one bleaching session and came out of it with just moderate damage.
Oh my god!
Dude, it looks so good. It matches your shirt.
Kaya nga ako natatawa. It matches my freaking shirt.
Okay. Anyway, after that, we just let her freshly rinsed hair dry out, and then we just went back to do the roots. This is how her hair turned out after we finished bleaching. These products are optional but highly recommended because hair care is super important. So after bleaching, Acey used this NNN Perfect Ash Purple Toning Shampoo. This was used to tone down the yellow tones in her hair. This cost around just 185 pesos from Shopee. After that, she then used this Iron Repair Solutions Foaming Protein Rebuilder. This was used as intensive hair therapy for her hair. This cost 630 pesos from Shopee as well. Lastly, she then used coconut oil. This was used to soften and nourish her hair. This was super affordable and is probably available at any grocery or market near you.
Sisters! Alright guys, so it is 2 days later after we bleached Acey's hair. A lot has happened. So first, I washed my hair with purple shampoo. I left it on for like 30 minutes, which was probably way too long because it colored her hair in some parts blue. I don't know if... Oh, there, you see it. It's rosé up in this bitch here.
It's rosé
right here.
up in
It's
here.
rosé right
and then
there.
it's yellow here, so...
Okay, so after she rinsed it off and she used that reconstructor.
My hair looks like a golden Hagrid. Like, not even Hermione, bitches. It's golden Hagrid.
It was golden Hagrid up in this bitch.
It's crazy up in here. So I got full panic. So I drenched my hair for 2 nights straight in coconut oil. And this is what it looks like. It looks more normal now.
I think it's a combination of the reconstructor and probably the coconut oil for the 2 nights.
Definitely.
To color the hair, first you will obviously be needing hair color. We bought 2 shades that we mixed. First, we bought 2 100 ml tubes of this Bremont Spa hair color in the shade Very Light Ash Blonde. Then, we bought 1 100 ml tube of the same hair color but this time in the shade Silver Gray. Each tube cost, are you ready for this, kids? 60 pesos from Shopee. That is insane, I know. So to activate the hair color, you will be needing an oxidizing lotion once again. We bought 2 100 ml bottles of this Sora Oxidizing Emulsion Cream at 9% or 30 volume. This cost around just 30 pesos from Shopee. Again, that is insane. So the hair color to oxidizing lotion ratio that we used was 1:1. We mixed 1.5 tubes of the Very Light Ash Blonde shade with just half a tube of the Silver Gray shade to come up with a mostly blonde hair color but with silver ashy tones. Then we mixed our hair color concoction with the 2 bottles of the oxidizing lotion.
And now we are back and we are going to color her hair. The original goal was just to pre-lighten the hair, bleach it a little bit, and maybe bring it to a level 7 or 8, just so that when we apply the new color, it would have a lighter base so that the color would be more vibrant, so that it would show up more. We did not know she would go full on fucking blonde in one fucking bleaching session. I have no idea how we achieved this in
I
one go.
don't know either. This really wasn't the goal, guys.
It's not.
I'm
did
sure.
not want her to go blonde.
So,
This is so funny.
if the color doesn't turn out nice in this, I quit, bitches. I'm going home.
We are home.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm going home.
Okay, so that's the goal for today. We are going to color. So you don't have an end color in mind. You don't know how this is gonna turn out.
Dapat ash, but then I was kind of like, I wanna experiment a bit.
Oh my god, it looks so creamy. I wanna eat it.
I used to eat.
So now we're just going to apply it on her head. Once we're done applying it to the lengths, we wait 20 minutes and then we go back, do the roots, wait another 20 minutes and then rinse everything off. Oh bro, it looks good.
Na-color na?
Yeah, it's starting to process on the
Wow,
back.
ang bilis. What color is it?
It's gray.
Oh my god. I'm shook.
Oh my god, this is so funny. It's gray. What the fuck?
Okay, you better act fast, honey.
Oh, sorry. I'm shaking.
Nikki, don't shake.
Don't shut your eyes. Alright, so this is how the head looks like so far. Here you can see that it's turning silver ash. I don't fucking know what's going on. We're just going to continue doing the sides. We're gonna go back and do her roots and then rinse everything off and we'll get back to you then.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something better features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
There you have it, guys. This is the final look of my hair. This is the final result. I hope this video was helpful for you guys and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Bye. That was so hard, Nikki. That was so hard.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.